Want to supercharge your customer interactions? Alright, let's get started first. You'll need to log into your Chatdash account and navigate to the settings area or the integrations section, often found through a gear icon or similar symbol. This is where you'll manage third-party connections. Once you're in integrations, you should see Retell AI listed as an available option. If it's not readily visible, use the search function to quickly find it. Click on the Retell AI integration button to begin the setup process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your Retell AI API key. This key is essential for connecting Chatdash to your Retell AI account. Make sure you have your API key ready. You'll typically find it within your Retell AI account dashboard after you have signed up. Head over to your Retell AI account to find your API key, and make sure to carefully copy this key. Return to the Chatdash integration and paste the key into the designated field. After entering the API key, Chatdash might offer customization options. This is where you can fine-tune how Retell AI interacts with your Chatdash system. This may include things like choosing the agent that responds to inquiries, setting up default responses, and any other settings you might want. Once the connection setup is verified, begin a test chat. The Retell AI bot should immediately respond and assist customers based on the parameters. This way, the integration should already be ready to support customer communications on Chatdash. Now Chatdash is ready to begin helping customers. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Retell AI with your Chatdash account. Your customer interactions just got a whole lot smarter. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials and like this video.